Acting is a State of Mind in Search of Greater Truth by John Pallotta, with permission of the author. Our lives as actors are filled with actors who enter from stage left and exit stage right. Some people show up in every scene, some only a few, providing punctuation to the real action. We wait for the invisible hand that's writing the story of our life that needs a sweet, small voice to explain the themes for our audience. We strike a balance. Life becomes an art form. Each choice we make is precious, and every chance for creativity is an opportunity. And yet, we struggle with the meaning of it all to varying degrees. We would like to believe that the truly blessed people don't bother with the struggle and just have fun. John Pallotta is a gifted artist, teacher, and human being whose mission in life is sharing his authority and love of acting with each and every one of his students. His attention and perception are uncanny. He is also one of the most sought-after acting coaches in the business today. Almost every acting class in the world trains actors to play an objective. In other words, to choose an action based on the information you get from reading the script, or why the character is doing what he is doing. Believe me, that's the easy part of dealing with actions. The piece of the puzzle that few actors learn to deal with is the deeper, personal layer of why they are playing those actions. Please consider this acting fact. Without a personal need to accomplish the action, you have not yet earned the right to stand on that stage and speak the words of the script. I am talking about having the true need to do the things you are doing in the play. The true need, not the pretend need or the indicated need, but the authentic need. Having the true need to do what you are doing is the seed of life on stage. Isn't this true in life? Yes, in life your actions are purposeful. You have a true need to do the things that you do in each moment, or you would not bother doing them. It is the same on stage. We call this purpose. Your acting must be truly purposeful. Remember, theater is not an imitation of our lives. It demands a greater truth. True purpose is an essential part of that greater truth. Acting is a state of mind. It is about innocence, imagination, vulnerability, instincts, and honesty. It is about practicing the potential qualities that you were born with as a child. The less you think like an actor, the more childlike and innocent you are, the more productive and in the moment you will be. Acting is a State of Mind by John Pallotta.